Somebody lied to you. They told you to go to school, get good grades, land a safe job, and everything would work out. And you believed it. I believed it too. But here's what they left out. One job means one source of income. One source of income means 1 point of failure. And 1 point of failure means your entire life is held together by something you don't even control. Your boss's mood, a quarterly budget meeting, an email that starts with, "We regret to inform you." That's not security. That's a house of cards dressed up in a steady paycheck. And the scariest part? Most people won't realize this until it's already too late. Until the layoff hits. Until the rent goes up and the raise doesn't. Until they're 35, exhausted, and wondering where all the years went. This video is for the version of you that refuses to let that happen. I'm going to show you exactly how to build multiple income streams from scratch, even if you're starting with nothing but time and a phone. No fluff, no fake promises, just a real blueprint you can start using this week. But first, we need to destroy a lie that's probably still living in your head. When most people hear multiple income streams, they picture some guy on a yacht with 14 businesses and a Lamborghini he rented for the thumbnail. Forget all of that. That's performance, not strategy. Real multiple income streams look boring from the outside. It's a 23-year-old who freelances after her day job and sells a $12 Canva template pack on the side. It's a guy working in retail who started a faceless YouTube channel 8 months ago and just got his first AdSense deposit. Nothing flashy, everything intentional. Here's the framework that actually matters. There are only 3 types of income. Active income, where you show up and get paid. Semi-passive income, where you build something once and it keeps earning with light maintenance. And passive income, where the money arrives whether you're awake or not. Right now, you probably only have the first one. That's not a failure, that's a starting point. But if you stop there, you're building your life on a single leg, and single legs don't survive storms. Now let me show you what to build, and more importantly, what order to build it in. Stream 1, your primary skill income. I know, not exciting, but this is your oxygen supply. Whether it's a 9-to-5, a part-time gig, or freelance work, this is what funds everything that comes next. Most people want to skip this and jump straight to passive income. That's like trying to furnish a house you haven't built yet. Instead, get serious about this stream. Negotiate harder. Skill up. Make yourself more valuable. Because every extra dollar you earn here becomes startup capital for stream number 2. And this is where the game starts to shift. Stream 2. Freelancing a skill you already have. You don't need a degree or certification to start this. If you can write a decent email, you can freelance as a copywriter. If you've ever edited a video for fun, someone will pay you to do it for their business. If you're organized, virtual assistant work pays $20 to $30 an hour, and people are desperate for it. The barrier to entry is almost zero. The only thing standing between you and your first client is the decision to actually ask. Post on Twitter. Message a small business owner on Instagram. Send 10 cold emails this weekend. Most won't reply. One will. That one changes everything. Here's the mistake that kills most people at this stage, though. They wait until they feel ready. They take another course, watch another video, rearrange their desk. Meanwhile, someone half as skilled already landed the gig because they just started. Don't be the person who prepares forever and executes never. Now, once freelancing starts paying, something interesting happens. And this next part is what separates people who earn more from people who build wealth. Stream 3. Digital products. Take something you've learned and package it into something sellable. A budgeting spreadsheet, a fitness meal plan template, a Notion system for students, a 30-page ebook that solves one specific problem. You make it once. You sell it on Gumroad or Etsy or your own site. And every sale after the first is almost pure profit. A student I follow online created a simple resume template pack. Nothing revolutionary. She priced it at $9 and sold 400 copies in 5 months. That's $3,600 from something she built in a single weekend. That's semi-passive income. And it doesn't care if you're sleeping or studying for exams. But here's where most beginners mess this up. They try to make something for everyone. Don't. Make something specific for someone specific. A productivity planner for nursing students beats a generic planner for humans every single time. Stay with me, because this next stream is the one that multiplies everything else. Stream 4. Content creation. YouTube, TikTok, a newsletter, even Twitter threads. Let me be honest with you. You probably won't make money from content for 6 months, maybe longer. But content does something no other stream can do. It builds trust with strangers at scale. And trust is the currency that makes every other income stream easier. Your freelancing gets inbound clients. Your digital products sell without ads. Opportunities start finding you instead of the other way around. The people who win at content aren't the most talented. They're the ones who posted 200 times while everyone else posted 12 and quit. And once you have even a small audience, this next stream almost activates on its own. Stream 5. Affiliate income. You mention a tool you actually use. You drop a link. Someone buys. You get a commission. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need a product team. You need trust and a recommendation. That's it. A creator with just 2,000 newsletter subscribers can generate $300 to $500 a month in affiliate income by recommending books, software, and tools they genuinely believe in. Not by being salesy, by being useful. Stream 6. Investing. This is the final layer, not the first one. And I need you to hear this clearly. Do not try to invest your way to wealth before you have income worth investing. That's how people lose money chasing meme stocks at 2 in the morning. Once your income streams are producing more than you need to survive, you take the surplus and put it into index funds, dividend stocks, or assets that compound over time. Even $50 a month into an S&P 500 index fund at age 22 turns into serious money by 40. Investing isn't where you start, it's where your patience gets rewarded. Now here's the part that separates the people who talk about this from the people who actually do it. Don't build 6 streams at once. That's not ambition. That's self-sabotage disguised as productivity. Follow this order. Earn, learn, add, automate, invest, scale. 1 step per season of your life, not 6 steps on a Monday morning. You master your primary income. You build a skill on the side. You launch 1 additional stream. You turn it into something that doesn't need you every hour. You invest what it produces. Then and only then do you add the next layer. Wealth is not built by doing everything at once. It's built by doing the right thing long enough for it to compound. And I want to be real with you for a second. There will be a stretch, somewhere around month 2 or 3, where nothing seems to be working, where the freelance clients aren't responding, the digital product has 3 sales, the content has no views, and every part of your brain will tell you to quit and try something else. That voice is loud, but that voice is a liar, because almost everyone who built something real will tell you the same thing. The breakthrough came right after the moment they almost stopped. I've been there, putting in hours on a project no one noticed, refreshing a sales page with 0 purchases, wondering if I was wasting my time. I wasn't, and neither are you. You're just in the chapter of the story that nobody posts about.